Today I am going to discuss about Bihar. Formation was 22 March 1912. Capital Patna. CM Nitish Kumar. Deputy CM No. Governor Rajendra Biswanath Allekar. State with boundary West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand and international border Nepal. State bird and animal house sparrow and gourd. Historical important ancient kingdom of Magadha. Birthplace of Gautam Buddha, Bodh Gaya. Famous ancient university, Nalanda University. Festivals, Chhath Puja, Holi and Diwali. Classical dance, Charchalin, Videsiya. Traditional food, Litti Chokha. Major river, Ganga. Kosi, also known as Sarob, Bear. Gandak, Shan, Bagmati, Punpun.